back here at Caliber Collision. And the estimate on the truck is actually not that bad. In case you're wondering, in case you hadn't seen my other updates, you can look here and you'll see the deer that I hit right on the highway, right on Interstate 25. It's pretty crazy. Anyways, I'm here at Caliber Collision. They're fixing it up really good. You can see some footage here of being almost done. They got to do a couple more things, so I'll be excited to get it back. But in case you're wondering, the total estimate right now is $10,168. So not bad, but the cool thing, it's actually only $250 for my deductible, because that's what I have for comprehensive. If you live here in Colorado, you really need good comprehensive insurance, because it'll hail, it'll like all kinds of weather related stuff that it's good in Colorado to have comprehensive. Hail, wind, anything. But apparently, I didn't know this, good information. My insurance company considers deer actually a comprehensive deal. So that actually really helps. So I thought that would be good information for you guys. Just driving around in the Ram again. Still waiting for my truck to be fixed, but I am hopefully filling up my truck for the last time here. But let me show you something. I just thought it was interesting about the way that I am thinking about things whenever I'm filling up with gas. So let me show you here. So this time I actually only got 19 miles to the gallon, 19.7, and 447 miles on this tank. And it's all the way on E, and it's saying about 30 miles left. So we're gonna get some gas here. We're here at Rudy's Rudy's country store, but by the way, they have really good barbecue breakfast tacos. Doesn't matter. Anyways, I just found myself, I was like, I'm despising so much actually getting gas and taking the time to do that I am waiting as long as possible to actually stop at a gas station. Probably not the best practice. I didn't do it whenever I had a gas car. I would usually fill up when it was around like a quarter tank, but I just found myself, because I'm so used to with an electric truck not having to worry about that. You know, I just plug it in every couple nights or every few nights when it gets around 50% or a little bit below 50%. I just plug it in. I never really worried about stopping somewhere and filling up. Obviously, if I'm on a trip, that's a little bit different. But yeah, I just found it odd that, you know, that I was thinking that way. And so it's just the way that you're training yourself, because I've had my Lightning for about 1.5 years, and it just seems so easy, you know, just to fill it up. Now I know people talk about the range and all of that, but I'm not worried about that, because I just plug it in every other night or every few nights, and whenever I need it, you know, and I'm not really worried about it, because it'll just charge up overnight or get me enough range overnight, depending on the speed of the charger. But yeah, it just bothers me with gas now. But like renting this gas truck, it's just like, oh my gosh, I'm gonna have to spend that much money again and take the time to actually stop and fill it up. So anyways, just something to think about there. So let's go get some gas, and we'll see how this goes. Not the funnest time. Anyways, all right, gotta do this. There it is, $75. Oh my gosh, I'll be happy when I'm done with this. So you just saw me getting some gas, and earlier you saw me at Caliber Collision. Now I'm actually back in my house, and I just got a call a little bit earlier today, after I already filmed the other videos and everything, that Caliber Collision, there's actually going to be a delay on the part One part on there's a little bit of a back order for my truck. So those of you that have had to get repairs, you probably know about that. It's going to end up being another couple weeks. So I'm not going to be done until the middle of September with my truck now. And basically, it's like a little antenna that goes behind the bumper that reads the signal from the key fob. So basically, if they didn't replace that, then the alarm would just go off at random when I open the door, and I don't want to deal with that either. So they have to keep it because of the amount of work that it's going to take the bumper back off and put it back there. So anyways, at least they're getting the rest of it done. Trying to stay positive here, but the other positive thing is I went ahead and just said, hey, look, I'm not going to deal with the high cost on gas for another 2 weeks with that Ram truck. So actually going back to the rental place, and I got me a Toyota Corolla. So 40 miles to the gallon is going to be a whole lot better than 22 or whatever I was averaging with that. So anyways, so I'm going to be driving this around for a couple weeks, and going to be a little bit better on gas. And but that's why I'm back here at the house, and I just wanted to keep you updated. And then when they're done and I pick it up, we're actually going to be I'll be doing a little celebration video and kind of a little overview. We're going to go through the whole truck and see how they did. And yeah, I'm looking forward to it. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and thank you guys for watching, and I will see you on the next video.